Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to edit a muted phrase on X Web using your PC. If you've muted words or phrases before, but now want to adjust or update them, this quick walkthrough will guide you through each step clearly and easily. First, open x.com on your computer and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once your homepage loads, look toward the left sidebar and click on the More icon. This will open an extended menu with additional options. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage most of your account's preferences and safety tools. Next, find and select Privacy and Safety. This section controls what you see and what others can see from your account. Inside Privacy and Safety, you'll see several options. Click on Mute and Block. This is where you manage the words, accounts, and notifications you've muted or blocked. After that, select Muted Words. Here, you'll find a list of all the phrases or words you've chosen to silence on your timeline or notifications. Now, to edit one of these muted phrases, simply click on the word or phrase you want to change. This will open the settings for that specific entry. You can update how long you want the phrase muted, where it applies timeline, notifications, or both, and even tweak the text if you mistyped or want to adjust it slightly. After making your changes, scroll to the bottom and click Save. It's important to save before leaving the page so that your new settings take effect immediately. Once saved, your preferences are updated and active right away. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit muted phrases on X Web for PC. Keeping your muted words accurate ensures your feed stays the way you like, more focused, less cluttered, and free from distractions. If this guide helped, make sure to check out more simple tutorials on managing your X settings and improving your browsing experience. Thanks for watching.